What up, what up, what up? Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be reupholstering this headliner. So I'm gonna just take some quick measurements. I'm gonna go pick up Mr. Box and then go to the fabric store, see what kind of material we get or which design. Five. Measured it. I'm gonna get 5 feet this way, 4 feet that way. It's longer. It's not exactly that, but I will get more material just because it's better to have more than less. So yeah, let's go ahead and get Mr. Box and then go to the fabric store. He's still half asleep. Back in the day,
those pyramids.
how were they built?
Boombox
By
believes
hand.
that in ancient times they had freaking cranes and John Deere.
That's what you believe, bitch.
I believe they walked.
Fuck John.
They walked.
What you say? How
I'm
they
not
do
saying
it?
shit.
Caterpillar and all this stuff. He said that they even had Red Wing boots and all this other. This guy fucking believes there was some sort of technology back then.
Fuck
there
off,
wasn't jack
asshole.
shit.
Fuck off.
No, you were. Tell him the myth, what you believe in.
Oh, Boombox believes that they had logs of wood and they rolled all the stones
From
to
Bakersfield all the way to LA.
pretty much 100
Bakersfield,
miles. That's what he's saying.
Didn't you say Bakersfield?
He said Bakersfield.
There's no pyramids
You guys are
in
fucking-
LA or Bakersfield.
You guys are idiots.
Yeah, I think this guy is
Fuck you.
honestly
bitch. I'm not arguing.
shit. Shrooms. Move a stone with geometry. Bring in geometry.
Well, if you cut half the stone, divide it up by 4 pieces.
Oh, yeah,
And-
maybe like that. Yeah, bring in geometry like that. How about algebra? You think it would be easier if we bring in trigonometry? Mr. Box?
Watch this fucking video.
Box in his belief.
Watch this
Hey,
video.
do you believe that the earth is round or flat?
You don't believe shit.
It's wavy,
Fuck
bro.
off. Fuck off.
Looks like it's closed. We're gonna go to the back. Let's see.
He's buying the Tigre Cobijita headliner.
I'm buying the
Not through here. I think it's closed here. I think
Santa Claus
I think,
Supreme Edition.
I think the lady's open.
Yeah, bro.
Thinking.
You're just out dumber, way honestly.
You're not.
Do you have-
yeah, they had some type of technology.
Do you
They
have
should
anything to back up your beliefs?
Well, pretty much. I have a background of carving T-Rexes and Velociraptors in Jurassic Park.
I go to church every
So I know a
Sunday,
little bit
so
of carving rocks.
the God tells me.
carving rocks.
I have a big backyard that's full of dirt, so I know a lot about that.
Ice, bro, for that fucking burn, because you seem pretty fucking heated. They did not carry all that stone miles and miles.
You even carry your fucking grocery bag.
They wore some of these vests while working on the pyramids. That's
Can't even carry shit when you fucking die in the sun right now.
They use this. Maybe they use this. John Deere.
All right, back to this fabric. We gotta find the glue, adhesive, whatever, and we gotta find some fabric. I don't think they're gonna have any here though. Bunch of yarn. They don't have any fabric here. I think we're gonna have to go with some wrapping paper. Store number 2, fail. We're gonna try one more. If it doesn't work out, then I'm gonna take you guys back home.
For lunch.
Are you guys gonna keep arguing about the
We
past?
can't work on an empty stomach.
You want to go back to the future?
Yeah, we can't argue on an empty stomach.
On the
either.
next video, we should all go there. We should all just go to Egypt and see.
And ask around.
Huh?
That one's good.
Yeah, my grandma.
All we found was the glue. We're gonna probably stop by, eat somewhere, and then try one more place like I said. If not, then we're gonna call it a day.
You see, it gets another video for repairing the door on.
I think it's open. Oh, it is.
no. Alright, guys, put on some hand sanitizer.
Oh, okay.
You don't follow the laws.
Well, nice. Before you come in, please put on hands.
Which one do you think I should choose?
Look at the headlines from the Egyptian times for Boombox right here.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You think they carried stones on elephant backs? But how did they get around the elephant's back? That's the real. Oh, a smaller elephant maybe.
Baby elephant.
Small, medium, and large elephants maybe. Yeah, they use their trunk to put it from one to another.
To transfer from one elephant to the other elephant. Ooh. The heart one. Or let's look at this one. I'm thinking this one. Just straight red. I don't know. This is it.
Look at that.
Quick lunch
bro.
break. Yeah, that's my homie Fresh Kicks right there. Peter's learning everything he didn't learn back in school now. Now he's intrigued by it.
Well, Boombox is right. They actually did use caterpillars, but they weren't named caterpillars.
What were they named?
Some Egyptian name.
You on here, bro?
Egyptology, that's what it was called.
Other menu spoils us my ass.
I'm doing a $30 headliner and you want a $40 plate?
Of
You
course.
think that's fair?
We're the life of the channel. You gotta treat us good.
You gotta treat the stars good.
Of course.
Without you guys, I wouldn't be making what I'm making on YouTube.
Yeah. 30 cents per view. Yeah, bro.
30 cents.
You're welcome, bro.
It would have been nice if I even got 10 cents of you.
Yeah, we don't make money off this shit.
You gotta take off the rest of this little
Old headliner?
headliner and slap on the new one. Mr. Box came to sleep over here. You don't have a bed at home.
That's Mr. Box?
That's the famous Mr. Box on YouTube.
Sheesh. After a long day, long morning of searching for this headliner material and trying to figure out how the Egyptians built those pyramids.
I think he's tired of thinking.
Yeah, that brain is just fried
Fried.
pretty much.
Overload.
Buffering.
You just gotta lay the glue on the bottom of it and stick it on. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Just cut the extra piece. I'll throw it.
We're doing a little dog trick for Turbo.
Huh? Hopefully it's enough and it's strong enough
Should be, I think you need, more on this side over here.
in the corner. So we're just putting glue, and then as you go, we just start applying it, rubbing it in, making it smooth. So far it's pretty good. Hopefully we don't run out of glue.
Making a smooth what?
Huh?
What? Making a smooth.
Making it smooth. Feel like we're wrapping a roof. If we could do this, I'm sure we could wrap a car. We could try it in the canal.
Yeah.
As long as you buy the wrap.
Buy the same adhesive.
Same material if you want it red. We just need this little piece now, no? Right there. Just need that.
Oh, let me spray some. What the fuck?
Hey.
Spray it.
This piece is not set with.
We're gonna have a sagging headliner in
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Dang, the floor. I'm stuck to the floor.
Should use this at the racetrack.
If you do a little bit of algebra, you'll be able to calculate your way out of that.
If I move 1 foot plus the other, they're not. You see? Yeah. He was right when you put geometry into it.
Alright, let's go.
Pretty much done with the Type R headliner. That's pretty much what they do in the factory in Japan.
$50 Type R headliner is not bad.
Put a little algebra into it, and then boom, you got a red headliner.
Bada bing, bada boom. Math is your best friend, bro.
Pretty much. If you got a D or F in math, you're gonna fucking.
If you know how to calculate a lot of things.
After
Make sure to get all the edges.
after hours and hours of work.
Mistake number 1.
Well, James pretty much always messes it up with. You're supposed to have at least 2-3 inches of slack here. That way you go under and glue it to the back. But little James decided to cut it.
We ain't got no time to waste.
This project is a mess.
That's good picture right there.
Should be. He's already at 5.
2 to 5 inches.
Don't worry.
Beautiful.
How many sets are you doing?
About 7.
How many reps?
20.
Oh, that's a lot of reps, man.
Of course, bro.
Double the gains. Gotta fold the edges, bro. Told you. Look at it. Hey. There it is. Just gotta tighten it up. Put all the clips and everything back on, moldings. We'll be set to go. You wanna go ahead and put that side in?
Not really. Rather watch you struggle.
Well, we gotta do both at the same time.
Not really.
That stuff right here.
Look at Boomba spinning backwards. Woo!
Spooky season.
Spooky season is over, bro.
Pretty much ready to go. Got this side in right here.
Why didn't you put yours in, Lane?
Let's see Jaime's side. And you dreamed of working at West Coast Customs like this?
Yeah.
Doing stuff like this?
What issues you mad at you?
Easy installs. Put that side on. No, it's not the right one. You gave me the wrong one, Lane. Fucking long ass one.
It's that one.
It's not bad, look.
Yeah, guys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and then you'll watch us put in this little interior lamp on the next one.
There you guys have it. Pretty good job for a first time. Did a little bit of math, calculated everything. It's not bad. Want to say anything to the vlog before we wrap it up? You gotta be nice. Be nice to the viewers. Want to say anything before we wrap it up?
It was pretty difficult to do it and to install, but did a little bit of elbow grease and put math into it and got it done.
He rolled up the window. But this is where I'm gonna wrap it up. It wasn't bad for honestly doing it the first time. It wasn't that bad. I spent about 50 bucks. I think a shop would have charged probably like 130, 150. But I mean, it's a good little attempt, I guess. It's fair enough for a first time. But go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.